Hello, second graders. Today we will be using the open number line strategy to add two two-digit numbers. We are going to take a look at our problem, which is 42 plus 35. To begin, we are going to place our first number in the problem, 42, at the beginning of our open number line. Next, we'll take a look at our second number in our problem, which is 35. We are going to jump the value of each place in the number 35. First, we will start with the number in the tens place. That number is a 3. That 3 has the value of 3 tens or 30. We are going to make 3 hops of 10. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. I always like to double check my work to make sure I have the correct amount of tens that I need. 10, 20, 30, which is the same as that 3 tens or 30. So I have 3 tens there. Now I'm going to start at 42 and I am going to count up 3 tens. 42, 52, 62, 72. Next, I'm going to look at the number in the ones place. That number in the ones place is a 5. That 5 has the value of 5 ones. Now we are going to make smaller jumps of ones, 5 ones starting here at the 72. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. And here you can see I have 5 ones. And like I did with my tens, I like to double check my work to make sure I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to start at 72 and I'm going to count up my 5 to my 5 ones. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. And that is the answer to our problem. 42 plus 35 equals 77. And that is how we use the open number line strategy to add two two-digit numbers.